In this lesson, we will learn how to make our markers stand out by using animations and custom icons. Google Maps allows us to add simple animations to markers. Let's start by creating a simple marker and set the position of the marker and reference to the map object and the title. And to make the marker animate, we can use the animation property and set it to bounce. We can use bounce, which makes the marker bounce a few times. Let's take a look. Or we can use a drop animation, which makes it smoothly fall into the map. We can also change the marker's animation when a user interacts with it. For example, on clicking on a marker, we can toggle between bouncing and no animation. First, we will check if there is any animation on the marker. If it is there, we will set it to null. If there is no animation set, we can set it to bounce. Let's try it out. Reload the page and let's click on the marker and it starts bouncing. We click again, it stops. This helps draw attention when needed. Finally, instead of a default red pin, we can also use a custom image for our marker. We can do this using the icon attribute. You can set the path to any image or icon. For example, a flag icon from the Google library. So instead of a red marker, we now have a flag icon. This makes the map more personalized and visually appealing. By combining animations with custom icons, we can highlight locations more effectively and create a better user experience on our maps.